Hi, we're here with David Olive, Vice President of Policy Development for ICANN, and we've asked him to give us a little preview of what's going to happen this week at ICANN 48.
We're very excited to be here in Buenos Aires, Argentina for our ICANN 48 meeting. The other important element is this is our 15th year anniversary, and so we're pleased to be in this part of the world of Latin America to be able to celebrate that with our stakeholders. We're expecting over 2,000 registered people coming to the meetings, so it should be a really action-packed event with many topics, and we're excited for that possibility.
So, David, what's going to happen on Monday?
Well, before we get to the Monday session, the representatives of our community are already coming to do some pre-meeting activities. Many of the stakeholder and constituency groups have new members coming to join their councils or executive committees, and so they've had a series of orientations for them so they can meet ICANN officials and community members.
So what do you think the high-interest topics are going to be this week?
The high-interest sessions on Monday will be a focus on Internet governance, some background on meetings of the Internet Governance Forum that just took place in Bali, Indonesia, as well as a domain name security forum for the Latin American region, focusing on our ability to get representatives from this region to talk about their issues. So that'll be a big day on Monday, the formal day, if you will. Then other highlights of the meeting, our Tuesday meeting is really the big stakeholder gatherings with our board of directors. And so we have representatives from our registries, our registrars, civil society, academics, technical community, business community, non-commercial users, all getting together to talk to the board of directors about activities that involve our ICANN work. In addition to that, we will have a public forum and a board meeting on Thursday. This gives our community a chance to talk directly to our board, raise issues, comment on topics of interest to them, and then the board does some of its own work approving various resolutions and recommendations that have come through our bottom-up process to present to them for final approval. In addition, there'll be a focus on our new top-level domain program, new GTLDs, briefing sessions for some of the applicants and those interested in how that new program is developing and being implemented. Finally, of course, as I mentioned, the 50th anniversary of ICANN. We're going to have some celebrations of that to look back at the last 15 years, but more appropriately, look forward what will be the next 15 years with all our community here. Obviously, with the focus in Latin America, we will have a workshop on IPv6. This is Internet Protocol version 6 adaptation in the region, an update on our Latin American strategy, and of course our at-large community will have its LACRALO showcase, again gathering representatives from all the Latin American countries that are here to talk about their interests and support for ICANN work.
David, is there anything else you want to add?
Just we want to thank the people of Buenos Aires and Argentina for their wonderful hospitality. The food is wonderful, the people are tremendous, and that'll be part of our successful meeting here, I'm sure.
Thank you very much, David.